Aeon's Little Cough. By Sheila. One morning, Aeon woke up with a little cough. Cough, cough, he said, covering his mouth with his hand. His throat felt scratchy and his head was a little warm. Mummy came into the room and sat by his bed. You have a small cough, Aeon, she said kindly. Today, we'll stay home and rest. Aeon cuddled up on the sofa with his soft blanket. He held his favorite cushion and closed his eyes. I don't like coughing, he whispered. Mummy brought him warm water with honey and lemon. This will help your throat feel better, she smiled. Aeon took little sips. This is nice. After a while, Mummy read Aeon a story. Her voice was soft and gentle. Aeon listened carefully and felt cozy and calm. Later, Aeon rested quietly while Mummy made soup. He watched the clouds outside the window. Some looked like fluffy animals and some like shapes. Daddy came home and gave Aeon a big hug. I brought you a new coloring book, he said. Aeon smiled. Thank you, Daddy. After dinner, Aeon had warm vegetable soup. He took small spoonfuls and said, Yummy. I think my throat feels a little better, he said. Before bedtime, Mummy gave Aeon his number blocks. He lined them up on the bed and counted them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That made him feel happy. The next morning, Aeon stretched and smiled. Cough cough oh. It's almost gone, he said. Mummy kissed his forehead. You're getting better, my brave boy.